Hi guys, I am at the Africa Creator Festival. Your girl is here to learn, so let's do that. So I've got this white top and this clean skirt that you might know on. But yeah, your girl is literally officially nervous. This is my first creator influencer. Hi guys. Let me show you.
That's my poster.
Let's get some bubbly. Thank you.
Okay.
Cheers. So let's not let the nerves get the best of us. Let's go and enjoy. My friends, have fun and learn something.
Pretty nice.
Okay, so this year is about growing creator economy and exploring other revenue streams, which I'm very happy for you to share with me.
We're done, Joy. We're done. Keep your phones out. Last 30 seconds.
Money on YouTube. So yeah, so early access, I did. Around financial literacy and tax compliance in our country. And that's why we're here, baby. Let's take a quick break. When we come back, more music, more education, more beautiful girls and boys.